Hello friends, my name is Ravi Kumar Tanaji More and today's date is 23 November 2021 and today's I am talking about Java iterative statements. The Java programming language provides a set of iterative statements that are used to execute a statement or a block of statement repeatedly as long as the given condition is true. The iterative statements are also known as looping statements or repetitive statements. Java provides the following iterative statements. First is while statement, second is do while statement, and third is for statement, and last one is a for each statement. Then first is a while statement. The while statement is used to execute single statement or block of statement repeatedly as long as the given condition is true. The while statement is also known as entry control looping statement. Its syntax is while in bracket condition and in curly brackets block of statements. The next point is do while statement. The do while statement it is used to execute single statement or block of statements repeatedly as long as given the condition is true. The do while statement is also known as the exit control looping statement, and its syntax is do firstly write a do and in curly brackets block of statements, and then next while in bracket condition. The next point is a for statement. The for statement is used to execute a single statement or block of statement repeatedly as long as the given condition is true. The for statement has the following syntax. For in bracket initialization semicolon condition semicolon modifications and in curly brackets block of statements. Thank you friends.